I'm just taking this off. That's the first time I'm doing it, so I'm learning while I go, but I don't think that this should be on. I can't take that one off, so I'm not gonna mess with it. But let's get the material, spread it over it, make sure that the size is correct. Yeah, I'm changing the color. I'm doing black, but it is right. So we are good. Ooh, nice. I'm not sure if this is supposed to look like this, but there's a left and right. I know there's gonna be somebody coming. Oh, you didn't do it right. Okay, come do it for me. I'm giving it as much as I can. It's probably gonna be too much, but who cares? I'm making a mess all over the place though. All right, let me put this thing up. No, we're not gonna do all of that now. I don't want no wrinkle. Yeah, I'm not gonna get all the wrinkle out. I think the wrinkle is from the dust of the material. Oh, they package it and it folded, and I didn't thought about it, and I didn't make the right preparation for it, and something is not right here. I don't know, but this is not right here. Huh? Let me see. So I'm gonna use my finger because I think my finger is better. Yeah. I realize in the process of doing this is I have to stretch the material while I'm, smoothing it out to get out most of the thing, but unfortunately I didn't get out all of it. Hold on, let me see, I can lift this back up. Yeah, I can. So basically you want to lift it up and stretch it, then just run it back over, and then there you have it. Let me make sure that this don't have one in there. Stretch this way. Go back to this side because I can stretch this. So when you stretch it, there's a lot of thing that come in play. Damn, cuz. But I think I'm gonna have to try my best to get this back. There it is. See? You gotta stretch it. You gotta play with it a little bit. You catch a drip, huh? See? I can't lift it back down there because that's already like really like locked in the place. But I could do this part and show you guys. Oh, I get it. I did use my hand to do it because that wasn't working, but almost done. I have to go get my camera so I can make you guys see the finishing touch. Voila! Look at that. I changed it from tan to black. And there's some blemish, like, these little spots. I think somewhere in the back right here that didn't stick, but this is my first time did it, and I think I did a decent job. Now, I gotta clean these pillows. That's about it. Nice. Let me know what you think about this job. You think this job was cool or no? Make it our boss.